Peekaboo. Coco. Shh, Coco. Peekaboo. What'd you do to the couch? You making a fort?
I think Lily did it.
Oh yeah, I know she did.
Peekaboo!
Baby.
Please do something like splat against the side of the couch.
Who's that next to you, Lily? Who's that big blob there? Where's Calvin? Where's Calvin? Give Calvin a hug. Brother, give him a hug. Oh, where'd she go? Aww.
Hi. Okay, whatever you say, because I really don't know what you just said.
Lily, where's your eyes? Let's see, where are they? Give him a hug.
Where's his hair? Where's Calvin's hair?
Here, where's his ear?
I don't know. You can't see him because his hair.
Where's your belly button? There it is. Does Calvin have a belly button?
No.
Fun with brother.
Yep. 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 And you're my sister.